My name is Jutta, and today we are going to turn a Procreate animation into a GIF for Giphy or social media. In my last tutorial, I showed you how to create a simple cookie eating animation in Procreate. If you haven't yet, you can check it out with the link in the description or in the corner up here. I made a new simple animation following the same steps. This time it's a popsicle. The workflow is really easy and I encourage you to make a bunch of those. Alright, making a GIF is super simple. Our first step is to remove the background. We simply turn off the pink layer, we won't need it any longer. By the way, I duplicated the original first and I'm working on the duplicate right now to keep the original intact. Let's now turn off the background color as well. Now let's share it. Go to the wrench tool, share, and then we'll share it as an animated GIF. This is important as this is the only way to share it with a transparent background. We need to make sure we enable that. And we will also switch over to Web Ready. This will ensure that the GIF will be reasonable in size and shown endlessly in a loop. Now, let's export the file and save the image. From now on, it's up to you. You can upload it to Giphy, for example. All you need is a Giphy account to upload all your GIFs. From there, anyone can use them in their posts. However, it might be hard for you to find them when you use the Giphy function on Instagram, so make sure you tag your GIFs in a way that helps you to find them. Because I'm usually in a rush, I save mine in an album in my Photos app. That's why it's quick and easy for me. If you're wondering how you can use these camera roll GIFs in your Instagram story, this is how it works. Find the one you'd like to upload in your photos, tap and hold and say copy. Next, you start adding a story. To include the GIF, you tap the two A's as if you'd want to write a text. Now tap the cursor and say paste. And ta-da! Here it is. My file was quite large in Procreate, and even though it decreased size and quality by making it web ready, it is still bigger and of a better quality than GIFs from any other platform. That's another reason why I prefer to use them from my device rather than from Giphy & Co. Let me know in the comments what's your preference. As always, I hope you'll give this a try and you'll show your GIFs on social media. Don't forget to tag me in your post so that I will be able to find your art and feature it in my stories. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of my future videos. And of course, like this one and share it with all your creative friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!